Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am in an apartment, so what does any apartment dweller want? And some sort of privacy. So this is a roll of privacy film. So we're going to give this thing a little try and see what it looks like here. I don't think I'm going to actually be able to install it today, but I'll show you guys what it looks like and how it works. So let me take this little tape off. I'm trying to save it so I can tape it back up again here in a few minutes. But you can see, look how shiny it is. So it's going to be basically reflective like that. But then, oh, what's in the middle? Oh, it's all falling all over the place. But you can see once it's up on something here, we can still see through it fine. But on the other side, all they're going to see is just a big shiny mirror looking thing. So how cool is that? So this is a really nice one here. It comes with a really big long roll. Actually, I might even try to put this one in my bedroom so it'll kind of block out some of the other stuff there so people don't have to look into the bedroom. But super cool. I like this stuff. And I mean, right now it's not so mirrory because it's lighter outside so we can see outside, but at night and stuff like that it'll do a little better. So super cool. I like it. Thumbs up.